You guys spoke and I heard again, y'all. This video is inspired by my most popular video here on YouTube. Y'all want a more simple type of hair care routine, right? You don't want to have to use a whole lot of products, right? So today, I'm going to give you what you want. Let's go. Alright, so today is all about keeping it simple with your hair. People were commenting on my most popular video and they were like, so much for simple, so much for inexpensive, because I kind of used a lot of products that kind of were pricey. But today I'm going to tell you guys that you don't need a whole lot of products to have healthy hair. Quiet as it's kept, you don't need 50 million, 11,000 products. I'm just telling you, okay? Here, peep this. When I first went natural, there were hardly any products on the market. And I just simply used what I was using after I stopped relaxing my hair. So it really wasn't a big deal. And to be honest, to keep it 100, my hair was a lot healthier back then than it is now. And I'm using all these supposedly expensive products and natural products and this and that. You get what I'm saying? So you don't have to use a whole lot of products to keep it simple. You don't. So I'm going to tell you the amount of products you really do need. You need anywhere from 3 to about 6 products. 3 is the bare minimum. 6 is like, okay, we can deal. From 3 to 6 products. So let's talk about these products right quick, okay? First product. If you see me looking down, I gotta, look at my notes because I don't want to miss a thing, all right? First off, shampoo. You need shampoo to clean your hair, right? And to get, the oils and the grime and, to start with a clean slate so your scalp and your hair can be healthy, right? Okay, shampoo. A shampoo that works for you, preferably one that is for dry hair. Chemical treated hair. It's going to provide moisture. It's going to leave something behind, but it's going to clean that hair. But it's going to keep your hair moisturized. Moving right along, conditioner. A conditioner, just a conditioner that's moisturizing, that's going to get your hair right, going to make it soft and easy to manage. Yeah, it's going to put the moisture back in there after you shampooed it, okay? So that's your second product. The third product is an oil or a pomade. That's it. 3 products. That's the bare minimum, and you're probably thinking, could I do that? Yes, you can do that. My mama did it. She took care of my hair with maybe 2 products, some shampoo and some grease and water. Add the water in, but 2 physical products, shampoo and some grease. Add your little water. That's it. I don't even think she used conditioner. I'm just, I don't remember any conditioner. That's 3 products, bare minimum. You're probably like, where is the leave-in? The leave-in, you actually can use the conditioner, dilute it a little bit, spray it in your little hair, and seal that moisture in with that hair grease or that oil, whatever you want to use. 3 products, y'all. Okay, so some of you may be like, nah, sis, I don't think I can do 3 products. So we're going to go ahead and add the rest of these products that I recommend that you can have if you want to. They optional, okay? So we said the 3 products, the shampoo, the conditioner, and the oil or the pomade, right? So the 4th product you may want to have is a leave-in conditioner. It ain't necessary. Honestly, it really ain't. But, we all like to have our little leave-in conditioners. So leave-in conditioner, that's product number 4. Product number 5, we don't have to have this, but a lot of people like to have their gel or their styling cream or whatever the case may be. So to hold their hair in place, to get it all laid down and looking good, you want to have a styler. You really don't have to, okay? Because if you have your oil, you can twist that joker up and it'll hold, it'll seal that moisture in, right? So, okay, moving right along is the 6th product is a moisturizer, like a hair lotion or a hair milk or a hair cream or whatever. A moisturizer, keep your hair moisturized, okay? So that is about 3 to 6 products. Yeah, with the minimum being 3 and the maximum being about 6. All right, I made it through. Do I have anything else to say? No, that's all I have to say. So if you think you need a lot of products, then you are sadly mistaken, because when I started my little journey years and years ago, I didn't have that many products at all. But today, I have a lot, and I'm working my way to being a minimalist. I'm not really buying anything else too much. I'm trying to use what I have, and then whatever I really, really like, that's what I stick with. I'm working my way there. You guys will see my journey as I go. But do know, guys, you can keep it simple. You don't have to use all these products and pay all this money. Yeah, okay? All right, y'all got it? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any products that you want to share in the comment section, drop it below. Let us know products that you use, your simple regimen, your simple hair care routine, whatever the case may be. Feel free to share with us in the comment section. Sharing is caring, right? All right. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, don't you forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, I'll see you in the next video.